Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. And this morning, boy, I have so many things to show you, but I want to highlight a couple of things. Certainly, I want to highlight one of the great organizations for gardeners called the National Garden Bureau. You can easily find it, ngb.org. And what the National Garden Bureau does, they try to enhance gardening and try to get us crazy gardeners a bit more information. And they designate year of the perennial, year of the annual, and they put various plants out so that they can highlight them, such as Salvia. This is Salvia Nemorosa, the year of the perennial. And Nemorosa is just a great perennial salvia. They come in deep purple, they come in deep blue, and they're perennials. There are many salvias, as you know, the red salvias, for example. Even some of the blues are annuals, and they're terrific plants. But if you're looking for a perennial salvia, try the Salvia Nemorosa. Real easy to grow. This is a second bloom. Looks, there's not much here. I'm really not getting excited about this flower, but all of these have flowered all the way down, so they've been flowering for about a week. This is a second flush of flowering from this plant. It flowered earlier, about a month ago, and it's coming back again, and you can see it makes a great foreground for the ferns and various other things in my garden. National Garden Bureau highlights great plants. Let's take advantage of it. And if you want some Salvia Nemorosa, give them a go. Cut them back if they get tired. They shall come back for many, many years. Enjoy. See you in the garden. Till next time, this is Dr. A.